Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to optimize database after deleting revisions. So search this plugin, Optimize Database after deleting revision, install and activate this plugin. This plugin is one-click WordPress database cleaner and optimizer. Very user friendly, and good ranking and good active installation. So search active and use this plugin. If you have any questions, so comment, I will try to answer it. And hopefully guys you like this video. In this short and basic video today we learn about a popular plugin to optimize database after deleting revisions. So thanks for watching and please show your love by subscribing my channel. And guys, check out my WordPress plugin series. There are a large number of plugins which you need to speed up and to boost your WordPress experience. So thanks again for watching.